Hi, I'm Suvini Veronica, and I'm a final year fashion and textile design student here at AOD. And the reason I chose to study fashion design because it involves art, which is something I've always loved. It's something that has felt natural to me and has always given me the confidence. So that's mainly the reason. But when it came to design, I learned how to tap into much more extensive way and development process so that I can decipher things in a much more unique way and how to turn it into a story through clothing. For my final project, I chose to dive deeper into that in a way almost, and so I looked at fantasy and fairy tales. So through fairy tales, I wanted to mainly focus on that because it felt like the perfect basis for exploring imagination and growth in a way. So that's what I chose to go towards, and I used movies and plays such as Labyrinth and A Midsummer Night's Dream to as the foundation of my silhouettes and take inspiration from the costumes of those movies. And I was also inspired by the Art Nouveau style and the natural elements of that. So that was my clothing inspiration. And because it was something that was taken from my childhood, it felt important to use stuff that was like recycled from earlier projects, such as lace scraps, uh, embellishments, and beads. And as far as what I would like to do goes, I would like to gain as much as experience as I possibly can in the industry before I eventually move on to do something of my own. And I would also like to thank my lecturers, my family, and my friends for guiding and supporting me throughout this process. Thank you.